Hey everyone, today I'm going to share something really interesting with you. I recently found a new method that allows you to use Google Veo 3 for free. This method is currently working, it's new, and it's active right now. I suggest you try it as soon as possible. In this video, I'll show you the exact process I personally follow to use Google Veo 3 without paying anything. This is the latest version, no ultra subscription, no charges, and no unsafe third-party websites. Everything you'll see here is legitimate and working as of today. Let's begin with the first step. It's very easy, but make sure you follow it properly. Open your browser and go to Google. Once the Google homepage loads, click on the search bar and type Gemini Business ****. After that, click on the first link shown in the results. A clean Google Gemini interface will open. Here, the site will ask you to enter an email address to create an account. Now pay attention to this step carefully. When the website asks for an email, do not use your personal or main email address. Using your real email may cause problems later, so we'll avoid that and use a smarter option. Now open this new website and copy an email address from there. After copying the email, return to the Gemini page. Paste the email into the email field and click on Continue with Email. Next, the system will ask for a one-time password (OTP). Go back to the email website again. At the bottom of the page, click on Inbox. You'll see a new email, open it. Inside that email, you'll find the verification code. Copy the code. Now go back to the Gemini website, paste the code into the box, and click Verify. After verification, the page will ask you to enter a name. You don't need to enter your real name here. You can type any random name you want. Once done, click on Agree and get started. That's it, you're successfully logged in. You'll be taken directly to the Veo 3 dashboard. As you can see on the screen, you now have access to the Nano model and even the Pro models completely free. Now let's move on to video creation. From here, click on Generate Video and enter your prompt. I've already prepared some strong prompts using ChatGPT. I'll copy one of those prompts now. Come back here, click on Generate a Video, paste the prompt into the box and hit Send. Wait a few seconds, and there it is. Look at the output, the video quality, details, and texture are impressive. And most importantly, there is no watermark. Now simply click here and download the video to your device. Let me show you another example. I'll copy a different prompt from ChatGPT, paste it here and send it. As you can see, Veo 3 performs on a whole different level. People are paying money for this type of quality while you're getting it for free. Let me do one final test to clear all doubts. Watch closely, every video generated is cinematic and high quality. And it's not just for videos. The Nano and Pro models are also extremely powerful for image generation. I paste an image prompt and press send. Look at the details, the clarity is full HD. I also created these two images earlier. They look like they were taken with a professional camera. Now let's talk about the main question. You might be wondering, what happens when the usage limit is reached? This is where the real trick comes in. I haven't reached the maximum limit yet, so I can't tell you the exact number of videos allowed. But think about it, if the limit ends, is that a problem? Not at all. Here's the solution. Once your limit is finished, simply leave that account. Go back to the same email website. Click on Get a new email address, then select Create new email. That's it, a fresh email is instantly created. Now repeat the same steps again. Use the new email, receive the OTP, verify it, and you're back inside, ready to create more videos. So friends, this is the complete method to become a Google Veo 3 user without paying anything. If you found this trick useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment and let me know what topic you want next. See you in the next video, rock.